Hello guys, welcome to my channel. If you're stumbling on my channel for the very first time, this is Ginger Lucky, okay? And on today's video, I'm going to show you how I get to make this ponytail. You need to see my natural hair. It's so thick. You won't even believe that just ordinary gel will hold this hair this way, the way it's looking right now. I'm telling you, you won't believe it. My hair is natural fussy hair and it's very, very thick. As in very, very thick hair. Seriously, I'm not joking. It's very, very thick hair. So for me to be able to lay it this flat, you should know that no matter how thick your hair is, definitely you'll be able to do this. And my hair is short again. Let me not forget that. You'll be able to see that my hair is short from the very beginning. So my hair is very, very short. And also I'm going to be showing you the gel that I use on the ponytail as well. The gel, it really, really helps. I use this styling gel. I've used Eco Styler before, but I noticed that this one is thicker and it is as if it holds more than Eco Styler. That's why I didn't use that one, so I get to use this one. You can see it on any beauty supply shop. You'll be able to see this gel on any beauty supply shop. So if you've not seen my natural crochet tutorial that I did, I'm going to be linking it somewhere here so you can actually check that. I used this on it as well and it lay. You can see the baby hair how it lay. For a very long time I've been looking for gel to like lay my baby hair. My baby hair hardly lay this flat. Immediately you put it, immediately it lay flat. Within 10 minutes, 20 minutes, it will just rise again. I'm telling you, if you have that kind of hair, I bet you should go for this. You also get it in any beauty supply shop as well. So guys, without taking too much of your pretty time, let's dive into the video. So guys, this is the gel we're going to be using on this tutorial. We're using two gel. So what I did first is to detangle the hair, which is combing the hair with a big comb so the gel can just easily go in. So that's what I'm actually doing right now. Just apply the gel into the hair and cut it into section and put some gel in between, because you can't just put it on the surface because the hair is very short and it's very thick. So after applying the gel on the surface, I will make a part, just what I'm doing right now. So just cut a part in between and then apply the gel in the middle as well. It really helps to like lay the ponytail flat. So what I did next was just to grab my brush, and this brush is the hard brush, not the soft one. So if you're using the brush, please use the hard one. It works better than the soft one. So I'm just going to knot that first section. Please ignore those gel you're seeing underneath the knot, because they will all go away. If you don't like to see it, you can just clean it with a towel, with a flannel or something, but it will all go away. It doesn't leave any white residues. So what I did next was to comb the hair. I prefer using a normal comb, smaller comb, to just comb it in so you can just have that flat look. After doing that, then I can use my hard brush to like brush it in. To just pull the rubber band from behind forward, so it just there's this effect it gives. It makes the back side look very, very flat. So I'll just push it gradually and then I'll just knot it together. So you can see how it looks now. I've packed that short hair, I've made it into one knot. So I'm going to be using the red gel as well. I just rub it on my palm and then apply it onto the hair. It just like all the hair together. That gel is really very nice. If you keep natural 4C hair, your hair is thick, you cannot lay your edges, please try and use that gel. It will work perfectly well. So I'm just going to just lay out a little baby hair on the hair just to spice it up. I never really believed that my edges can actually lay this flat. Seriously, after applying the gel all day, these edges did not really come off. So after that, I just used my hair tie to tie it down. After tying it, I went to take care of my baby, prepare food, do some house chores, and then I came back and I remove it. You can as well, if you want it so fast, you can just use hand dryer on it and it will work perfectly well. But I didn't actually use hand dryer. I just tied it and do my house chores, and after then you can see how it looks. It looks very nice. And the attachment we're going to be using today is expression attachment, and the color is color 1B, and I'm going to be using 1.5 packet. I've seen people use 1 packet, but I think it looks too tiny. After they braid it, it looks too tiny for my liking. So I decided to use 1.5 because I don't want to use 2 packets. So what I did is just to share 1 packet into 2 in the middle and then use the rubber band to tie it back again. So what I'm just doing now is just applying, using the bundles to hold the hair. Just wash and you are going to understand all what I'm doing. It's very easy. So what I'm actually trying to do is to section the hair, because the hair is very short. So I just want to section the attachment and then I'll be able to part the hair. I part my natural hair into 3, so I can hold 1 part with one of the bundles and 1 other part with another of the bundles. It makes it very easy. And when you're doing this, try to make sure that you turn your hands the other way so you can hide your natural hair, so that you don't just have your natural hair popping on top of it. So you could see after matting it, you could see that you can even trace my natural hair. That is how to do it. I know a lot of my clients will be like, change your look, you have to do this for me. It came out really beautiful. And don't even mind those gel, those white substance you're seeing there is gel. You can just clean it off with a flannel, or you can just use your hand to like just dress it out, or you can just leave it because it will definitely go off. The good thing about the gel is that it doesn't leave all those white patches or those white residue on your hair. Not at all. It doesn't leave any of that. Because the braid, the attachment is a bit big, so that's why it's just, I'm just being very careful to like, so I have a straight and neat braid instead of having a rough braid. You could see how it looks. The braid really looks very nice, even though it's 1.5 packet. I know some people even struggle to braid 1 pack, not to talk of 1.5. So that is exactly what I am doing, and the braid comes out really nice. It came out nice. I love the way it came out. So I'm just trying to straighten the braid, and you will see how neat the braid is. It's really nice. I love it, and I love the size. So what I did next is to use the hairband. If you know those black thick hairband, I just use it to hold the braid at the bottom and into the base of the braid, just the beginning of the braid. Why I do that is because it helps the braid to like stand firm. Just keep watching, you'll see how it looks at the end. So all I did is just to use pin to like pin that end so it doesn't go off. But if you don't want to pin it, you can actually make it a tiny tips, and then when it gets to that end you just roll it into it. But I prefer using pin to hold it so you don't have to like thinking maybe it's going to come off or something. It's very firm. So I picked another little part of the attachment full length, I stretched it, then I just roll it round, and you could see while I'm doing it round, I'm trying to use it to like touch my hair, like grab it from my hair, scrub it through my hair, so it just hold the hair more firmer. I don't really know if you guys understand what I'm trying to say, but it really helps. You just pick every other hair that is around that area and lay it flat, more flatter. See how that is looking. This ponytail is beautiful. Seriously, it's beautiful. I know a lot of my clients will want to make this hair by the time I post this video. Seriously, a lot of my clients will be like, change your look, you know what, I'm going to do this ponytail, it's my next hairstyle. I never knew that my short hair could really lay this flat, seriously, because my hair is so short and very, very hard. It's thick and it's short. So all I did is to apply the red hold to it. I just apply it around, so it just have a way of keeping the hair in place. So I just applied it and then try to trim the hair. Then what I did next was to put a pin in the ends of the braid, the tips of the braid. I love it, seriously. It's just, I just want to spice it up, so that's the reason why I did that. And at the bottom, for me to just bond the tip, I decided to use hold, roll the attachment through it, use it to do a knot at the end, and then use the got2b spray on it. It really helps so it doesn't like mess your cloth up. So I just spice it up by adding those threads on the braids, and it really looked very, very beautiful. Look at that tips. I just used the pin to just knot the tips and use the spray gel to lock the knot so it doesn't lose, instead of burning it, because when you burn it, if you put it on your clothes, it might just be like hooking on your clothes, or so just sticking on your clothes. So that is the reason why I didn't actually burn it. I just used this got2b spray to just lock that ends up. I just seal it up with the got2b so it doesn't have to like spoil your clothes. And this really came out really, really beautiful. Seriously, I love this look. I never knew that my natural hair, as thick as it is, it can actually go flat like this. If I can do it, you too can do it. Give it a try. I bet you're going to love it. And thank you so much for watching. And if you've not hit the subscribe button, please do it fit to hit on the subscribe button and press on the notification bell for you to be notified whenever I upload a new video. I do upload new videos every week, so if you don't want to miss my content, please, I'm pleading with you, hit the subscribe button and click on the notification bell. That will make YouTube to be able to notify you whenever I upload a new video. Thank you so much guys for watching, and I will see you on my next one. Bye.